everyone, in this video we will solve another question of theory of competition gate examination question. So let's get started. So question number 10. Question number 10 says that gives us three languages. Let L1, L2 and L3, which L1 gives us A N, B N and A M, where N and M is 1, 2, 3. L2 language gives us A N, B M and A M, where N and M is 1, 2, 3 again. And L3 gives us A N, B N and A N, which is a parenthesis problem. And where N is 1, 2, 3. We have to choose the correct answer. So first option says L3 is equals to L1 uh, intersection L2, and B is L1 and L2 are context-free language, but L3 is not context-free language. And option C is L1 and L2 are not context-free language, but L3 is context-free language. And option D is L1 is a subset of L3. So let's analyze each option of this question. So first option says that this is our languages. To find the intersection of L1 and L2, we need to find the string that are common to both language. However, L1 contains strings of the form AN, BN, AM, and L2 contains a string of the form AN, BM, and AM, which are different from the string in L3. Therefore, L3 is not equal to L1 intersection L2. So statement A is incorrect. So B, let's see B option. L1 and L2 are context-free languages, but L3 is not CFL. L1 and L2 can be generated by a context-free grammar as they have a well-defined structure. However, L3 cannot be generated by a CFG because it requires counting the numbers of A's and B's, which is beyond the capabilities of CFG. So statement B is correct. Let's see another remaining options. C option says L1 and L2 are non-context free language, but L3 is a CFL. As discussed in option B, L1 and L2 are context free language, but L3 is not. So therefore statement C is incorrect. Let's see D option. L1 is a subset of L3. This statement is incorrect. L1 contains a string of the form AN, BN and AM, where the number of A's and B's are equal, followed by A's and M's respectively. However, L3 contains strings of the form AN, BN and AN, where the number of A's, B's are equals, followed by A's and N's respectively. Since M and N can be different, L1 is not a subset of L3. So statement D is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B. L1 and L2 are CFL, but L3 is not a context-free language. Therefore, the correct answer is B. So, thank you so much for this video. I hope you will enjoy this video. We will meet with another question in another video. Thank you so much.